Welcome to Tutorial. Today we are going to discuss simple and useful command prompt tips and tricks. Without wasting much time, let us get straight into this video. Open command prompt with any folder directly without using any navigation commands. Folder navigation is very difficult in command prompt. To resolve this, use this simple trick. Open your required folder in Windows Explorer. Click on the address bar and type cmd, then enter. It will open the command prompt window in that particular folder. Hide or unhide any folder using command prompt. Without using any third-party software, you can do this. The command is attrib command. So attrib space plus h space plus s space plus r and mention your folder name you want to hide. Once you hide the folder, no one will find it out. So if they are using tools menus folder option, that time also they can't find it out. To unhide your folder, replace minus with plus for the same command. How to shut down your PC using command prompt. We will use the following command: shutdown space -s to shut down, shutdown space -r to restart, shutdown space -l to log off. If you want to set time to shut down your system, use the following command with seconds: shutdown space /s space /t, mention your time, and space /c and mention your command. It will display in front of user before shutdown. How to copy the output of command in text editor. If you want to copy the output of particular command to text editor, use pipe symbol and type clip followed by your command. It will copy your output to clipboard. Then you can open any text editor and paste it and save it. How to view installed applications and running process list through command prompt in your system. Use the following command to view installed applications: wmic space product space get space name. It will take some time, depends on the applications installed on your system. Task list is the command to view the current running process list. Use /v followed by task list to view the detailed process list. If this video helpful to you or any of my videos helpful to you, please do not forget to share with your social media contacts.
Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.